Hey there everyone, welcome to the Life Pulse. Today, we're diving into a topic that makes so many of us break into a cold sweat, stage fright, and the fear of public speaking. If just the thought of speaking in front of a crowd makes your heart race, your palms sweat, or your knees tremble, you're not alone. Believe it or not, this is one of the most common fears in the world. But here's the good news, it's completely manageable. And by the end of this video, you'll have a toolbox of tips and tricks to help you tackle stage fright head on. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about what stage fright actually is. At its core, it's your body's natural fight or flight response kicking in. Your brain perceives speaking in public as a threat, like you're about to face a lion or something. That's why you feel those classic symptoms: rapid heartbeat, shaky hands, dry mouth, or even nausea. Here's the thing, stage fright is normal. It doesn't mean you're weak or incapable, it means you care about doing well. But the key is learning how to manage those feelings so they don't overwhelm you. So, how do we deal with stage fright? Let's break it down into 3 key areas: preparation, mindset, and practical techniques. First and foremost, nothing beats preparation. When you know your material inside and out, you automatically feel more confident. So, take the time to rehearse your speech or presentation multiple times. And here's a pro tip, don't just read your notes. Practice out loud, stand in front of a mirror, record yourself, or even rehearse in front of a trusted friend. The more you simulate the real thing, the more comfortable you'll feel when it's time to perform. Another thing, don't skip warm-ups. Athletes don't jump straight into a game without stretching, and speakers shouldn't either. Practice speaking a few lines, do some vocal exercises, or even hum a tune to warm up your voice. Here's an extra tip. Rehearse in the actual space where you'll be speaking if possible. Familiarizing yourself with the environment can help you feel more grounded and prepared. Now, let's talk about mindset. This is a big one. A lot of stage fright comes from fear of failure or judgment. But guess what? Your audience isn't there to tear you apart. They're rooting for you. Instead of thinking, what if I mess up? Try reframing your thoughts. Say to yourself, I have something valuable to share. Imagine your audience smiling, nodding, and really enjoying what you have to say. Visualizing success can work wonders. Close your eyes and picture yourself speaking confidently, engaging with your audience, and delivering a fantastic performance. And here's a secret. Nobody expects you to be perfect. A stumble or pause here and there doesn't make you a bad speaker. It makes you human. Let's get real for a second. Sometimes, the fear of public speaking is tied to a deeper fear of being judged, and that's totally okay. It's something many people feel. One way to combat this is to focus less on yourself and more on the value you're providing to your audience. Ask yourself, what do I want them to walk away with? How can I make their time worthwhile? Shifting the spotlight off of yourself can help take the pressure off. Now let's get into some hands-on tips that you can use right before you step on stage, or even during your presentation. First, let's talk about breathing. Deep, controlled breaths can calm your nervous system in seconds. Here's a quick exercise. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds, hold it for 4 seconds, and then exhale through your mouth for 6 seconds. Repeat this a few times before you go on stage. It works like magic. Another great technique is to release physical tension. Shake out your hands, stretch your shoulders, or even do a quick power pose. Stand tall with your hands on your hips like a superhero. Studies show that adopting a powerful stance can actually make you feel more confident. Oh, and don't underestimate the power of connection. When you're on stage, make eye contact with friendly faces in the audience. Think of them as friends, not strangers. Smile and they'll smile back. This creates a positive feedback loop that boosts your confidence. One more trick. If you're speaking to a large audience, pick a few individuals in different sections to focus on as you talk. This can make the group feel more personal and help you feel less overwhelmed. Alright, let's recap the essentials. 1. Preparation is key. Practice your material, warm up your voice, and rehearse like a pro. 2. Mindset matters. Focus on the value you're bringing and visualize success. 3. Practical techniques work. Deep breathing, releasing tension, and connecting with your audience can make a huge difference. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with this. Confidence isn't about never feeling nervous. It's about showing up despite those nerves. Every great speaker you admire has felt stage fright at some point, but they learned how to manage it, and so can you. You've got this. The more you practice, the better you'll get. And who knows? You might even start to enjoy speaking in front of people someday. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. And if you have your own tricks for overcoming stage fright, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear what works for you. Thanks for watching, and remember, the world needs to hear your voice. See you next time!